Be the life of the party this Oktoberfest with a customized koozie. They're simple to make and oh so stylish. I'm going to customize my koozie with embroidery. If you choose to do the same, make sure your embroidery design is smaller than 3 1/4 inches. Now that we have finished customizing our fabric or our material that we're going to use, we can take it out of the hoop, trim up our stabilizer that we put on the back, and we're going to put steam-a-seam on the back of this and attach it to our soften stable. Now that we have trimmed our stabilizer away, we're going to use our template. If you would like a copy, check the caption for more details. We're going to use the template to align our customization up with our steam-a-seam to make sure that we're steam-a-seaming in the proper areas for our customization to show properly. After that, you'll steam-a-seam your fabric and then we'll attach it to our soften stable. Now that we have steam-a-seamed our custom fabric, we are going to steam-a-seam our soften stable to the other side of our steam-a-seam, and we're using soften stable to insulate our koozie. Now that you have all of your layers ironed together, you're going to take your template and you're going to place it over top of your customized design so that it stays centered. Then you're going to take your Fix-On pen and you will trace around your template. The reason we're using a Fix-On pen is so that when we cut it out, we can iron away all of our markings and they don't stay on the front of our koozie. After you mark your template, you can take it off and cut out your design. We're cutting in one step to minimize our cutting errors that might occur. Now that you have your template cut out, you can take your iron and iron away all your markings. And from here, we're going to place them right sides together. And then you're going to sew down each side of your koozie. And don't forget to backstitch at the start and end. Once you're done sewing your straight stitches down the side, you can flip it inside out. And if you would like, you can add decorative stitches around the top of your koozie, or you can do a zigzag stitch around the sides. It's not necessarily your steam-a-seam will hold your raw edges in, and you can slip your beverage in there. If you have questions, visit Nebraska Coal Company or leave a comment below. Cheers!